Did you know a hotel night manager risked everything to save 20 lives and became a federal hero? Hannah worked the overnight shift at an upscale downtown hotel, thinking her biggest problem was difficult guests. But she started noticing something disturbing. Young people who never left their rooms, always escorted, always afraid. They avoided eye contact and flinched when spoken to. Something was very wrong. She realized her boss was running a human trafficking operation, using the hotel as his base. Local police were being paid to look the other way. Hannah faced an impossible choice: stay silent and keep her family safe, or risk everything to help these victims. She secretly contacted federal authorities, knowing the owner had violent connections. Soon, she was being watched. Her children were followed to school, but she didn't back down. The federal raid rescued 20 trafficking victims and arrested the entire network. Hannah received federal protection, a job offer with law enforcement, and gratitude from the lives she saved. Courage changed everything.